How to allow Roblox through firewall. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about allowing the Roblox application through your firewall. So it's an easy process. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and in the Windows search bar, type in firewall. Now select allow an app through Windows Firewall. Next, find and click on change settings in the top. Give administrative privileges. Now go through the list of apps and find Roblox. Check the box of Roblox and then check the box of private as well as public. Also make sure that you have checked the box of Roblox Studio or Roblox Studio if it's available. This will remove the firewall restrictions for Roblox and Roblox Studio. To confirm Roblox is working, you can go ahead and open the Roblox application and log into your account. Now you should be able to play games. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.